all my pieces, all the parts I tried to hide, laid them on your table. Every fear, every fragile pride, you touch my worry, turn that weight into a sigh. Now every breath I'm breathing feels like mercy passing by. How could I earn this love? I've seen what I've done. Still you keep calling me your son,
your daughter, your child.
You are more than enough for me. Every longing finds its home in you. When I'm empty, you pour peace, overflowing, making all things new. I don't need another place to run. You're the center of my hope, my trust. Jesus, you are more than enough.
I've chased shadows, little crowns that never stay, silent in the silence, gone when trouble comes my way. But your grace found me in the dark at 2 a.m. whispered, I am still here. And I came alive again. Oh, I came alive.
How could I leave this love? You've seen all of me. Still you keep covering so tenderly. You are more than enough for me. Every longing finds its home in you. When I'm empty, you pour peace, overflowing, making all things new. I don't need another place to run. You're the center of my hope, my trust. Jesus, you are more than enough. When I'm weak, you're strong in me. When I fall, you never leave. Every tear you're catching in, every scar you're healing me. Yeah. Let my life sink quietly, every breath a simple plea. All I want, all I need is you and me. Oh, you are more than enough for me. Every longing finds its home in you. When I'm empty, you pour peace, overflowing, making all things new. I don't need another place to run. You're the center of my hope, my trust. Jesus, you